Hello and welcome to all our followers. Today, we're going to make a simple and easy to prepare cake, coconut milk cake. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support me by hitting the like button and sharing the video. In a bowl, we'll mix 3 egg yolks with 150 grams of sugar using an electric mixer. Then, we'll add 120 grams of butter and mix the ingredients. After that, we'll add 125 milliliters of coconut milk and 100 grams of coconut powder, always stirring. Then, we'll gradually add flour, salt, and baking powder until we get the desired consistency. In another bowl, we'll add 3 egg whites with a pinch of salt and whisk until it becomes creamy. We'll then add it to the cake batter gradually, while stirring manually and in the same direction. All ingredients will be listed in the description box in Arabic, French, and English. Tous les ingrédients seront répertoriés dans la boîte de description en arabe, en français, et en anglais. Once the batter is ready, we'll prepare a cake mold with a diameter of 20 centimeters and pour the batter into it. We'll then place it in the oven for 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Now let's prepare the cake sauce that gives it an extra flavor. We'll add 120 milliliters of coconut milk and 40 grams of sugar to a saucepan over low heat. After that, we'll poke holes in the cake using a skewer, as you can see in the video, and pour the liquid over the cake. Finally, we'll decorate the cake according to our preference, with coconut powder, for example. I hope the recipe turns out successful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support our channel for more delicious recipes.